welcome back to D Squared.
So for today's video, we will be trying fun Christmas activities.
So before we get on this video, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe down below to our channel and hit that notification bell so you know whenever we post. And let's get right into the video. Go.
So for the first activity, I will be doing foam build a scene.
And I'm doing Christmas cottage. So this is how it looks. And Delena's close up. And all these items are from Michael's Arts and Crafts Center. So if you guys want to try them out, then go to their store and pick some of these up. And let's get right on to the first activity. We just finished activity 1, but so we read the instructions and there was so much to do in this box. We needed about 1 hour, so if we were to film everything, then that would be like a separate video. So we're just gonna do this another video or just by ourselves later. But Delina did her activities, so basically she did everything.
And it turned out pretty nice. Yeah. It kind of turned out exactly how the one on the picture was.
Comment down below what we're missing and what's identical, and if it looks the same.
I think we kind of forgot the pom-poms.
Yeah,
but like
because we like
there was no like sticker to it kind of thing. It was
but basically I think Delina got right on
most of it done.
Yeah, so comment down below if you would do this activity or would you not. I feel like it's like very age appropriate.
Yeah,
we're like
more for like kids like
kids
elementary
or teens,
schools
or like high schoolers. Doesn't really matter. Everything is fun to do in Christmas time.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go on to the next activity,
which is the wreath.
Yeah. So we're gonna show you guys how to DIY a wreath. So basically, we're not like really DIY. We're not doing it ourselves, but like we bought a wreath and we bought all that stuff, and we're gonna show you guys of how to do it.
So we almost forgot to show you guys what we actually got for the wreath. It's like more of like picks that we ended up getting at obviously Michael's.
Yeah, so Michael's Arts and Crafts Center. So we're gonna show you guys like basically like we bought a lot of stuff.
Some of the stuff like some of them are similar, just different colors.
So basically we got this white thing in gold. So Delina can show you the gold, and then we also got
in gold,
this little copper color. And then we also got red.
We also got red.
We also got red. So if you guys want to see more in close-ups.
So these were like different flower leaf types.
That thing.
We got some.
There's so much glitter falling out, so be cautious of that, guys.
We got some different.
This is basically the same things. So we got these red little stuff that you can actually hook. Yeah. We literally just bought them, so the price tags are still on them, but don't worry. So these little red thingy-majiggies, which we're gonna leave on the table.
One that we got for the thing was Santa. I don't know if you guys can see this.
Yeah.
But it's so cute. I looked at it and I was like, okay, I really want to put this on a wreath.
Yeah, so Delina did all the shopping, so.
Yeah. Kudos to me.
We couldn't film that, but we're going to start on to the actual wreath making. So
stay tuned.
Let's get on with the clip. Okay guys, so we just finished up. I hope you guys can see me, but I'm just going like this. But here's the more inner
final look of the wreath that we designed.
So we used like most of the items. We probably just have like
like
a few flowers left.
We didn't really know where to put them.
Yeah, because it's already like it's already full enough. So right now to start off, we have like these red things mostly everywhere. It kind of sparks the wreath more.
Yeah, we kind of wanted to put like a lot of the ball type ones because they give a better look. And, you know, like, they kind of just stand out, like, if you can see on the side and all.
And then we have the Santa, which is, like, our main thing. And we wanted people to see it, but we also didn't want it because I feel like that would take the importance of the wreath. But it looked nice when we bought it. So, I mean, Delina bought it. So, yeah. I'm going to get up so you guys can see me. And then, so, yeah. And basically we have, like, these copper flowers. The only thing that I felt like was kind of weird was, like, there was so much glitter.
Yeah.
Like, if you look at us, like, in person, we have so much glitter on us.
Yeah.
But here's the final look.
Our hair, everything is full of glitter.
Oh, yeah. Close out for the video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe down below to our channel.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when we post. And if you guys want to see a part 2, comment down below, because we did buy a lot of other things. We just didn't want to make a huge, like 20-minute video out of it, so we didn't post it. But if you guys do want to see part 2, comment down below.
And until then, we'll see you guys next week. Peace out.